Hey everyone, welcome to Peer Trader. Peer Trader is a peer trading software that is based on the foreign currency markets and is used, this same type of strategy is used by professional traders and hedge funds. Morgan Stanley actually came out with this strategy years and years ago, about 100 years ago, and it's still being used every single day. This strategy is an old strategy, but it's based on new technologies that we incorporated to make it what it is now. Basically, essentially what pair trading is taking two assets. So in this case, the first one, GBP Chief and the GBP NZD, and those are two assets that correlate, and when they diverge from their median, from where they normally trade at, there's a trading opportunity. This is called divergence trading or spread trading. So what happens, we get into both trades. Once you get into both trades, you figure that both of these trades are going to converge at one point or another in time in the future, and we're going to close out for a profit. That's the theory behind it, and it's proven to be very successful over the years, and every position is lower risk because every position is hedged with another position. So this way you have two correlated pairs. So if one's moving one way, then the other one's going to move the other way. Then they'll both move together, back together again. This is a very advanced way of trading. You can never do this without a very good technology. As you can see, these are our open trades right now that we're down right now, which is not a big deal. This one's in profit now, and these we're just waiting for them to turn around. They're still diverging a little bit more than we wanted them to. This is the drawdown of each one of these trades individually that are in here right now. So they will diverge and they will converge back together, and then once they reach about 20% of their potential profit, we'll actually close these trades down automatically. So we don't have to do anything. The whole software is automatic, and you don't have to do nothing but just monitor it. Or if you choose to close a trade down or a partial position, you can do that too as well to save yourself some margin. If you want to get into more trades, that's completely up to you. But the software is fully automated. It finds all these pair trades automatically by clicking on the auto trading button. We preset these for you. So this is the best settings that we've seen so far, and we're always testing new settings. But after you set this, the software will find all these trading opportunities for you, and once it finds them, it automatically puts them into the open trades, and then it'll stop placing trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Once these numbers hit, this has $3,700 more to go. Once it makes an extra $3,700 from where it is right now, it's going to close that for a profit, and then we'll book the profits on that too as well. This software has a full history center in it. So far, this software has been running since September, the beginning of September, the end of August last year, 2016, till right now, which it's May 5th right now in 2017. So it's been running for almost a year. We've already made 41% this year, almost 42% this year already from the time that it started. It's very, very, very powerful. These are all the historical trades that are in here, and as you can see, they're almost all green because almost everything is profit because it really doesn't lose. The only time we take a loss is when we want to close down manually, just to make some of our money back so we can reinvest it faster rather than waiting for that trade to turn around. So we do that just to manage trades, to close them down a little bit faster. I don't mind taking a loss. If I have a big month and I make 5% in a month, I have no problem shutting down 1 or 2% worth of trades so I can reinvest that money back, and I'm still up 3% for the month. Our stats, which is basically all the back history of the trades. There's 843 trades that got placed this past 10 months. 95.97% win rate, which is a very, very, very high percentage in a win rate to have. Our biggest trade, our worst trade, our profit factor is 1 in 11. So for every dollar you put out, you win $11.67 back. Our longest trade was 77 days. And our shortest trade was 17 seconds that we're to trade for. Our average trade length is 1 day, 10 hours, and 7 minutes. This is a snapshot of all the historical data that's placed inside this trade. So this is what you can see exactly what this software has done. If we click on the Info tab, you can see what this software produced on this account. This is about a $3 million account when we started. And as you can see, we've already made $1.13 million over the course of that last 10 months, 42% almost. This year alone, from January till right now, we have actually already earned 21% right now, which is very, very high. How would you like to have 21% this year already? No one's making 21% already. It's only May. So there's still half a year to go. So this year we're predicting it's going to be even bigger than it was last year. As of today, we made 2% today. This month so far, and we're only 5 days into the month right now. It's the 5th, and we've already up 3.21% already this month. So this month I'm thinking it's going to be really good, and I'll probably close some of the open trades up that I see over here that may have a little bit higher of a drawdown. I might close half the positions out at the end of the month. If I'm up 5 or 6 or 10% this month, I'll close down 1 or 2%, so I can use some of this margin again, which is not a big deal. It's common. As you can see, this trade now just turned around and it'll stop moving again to converge. And you don't have to turn the trades, shut the trades down. We do it just to preserve margin and lower the drawdown, the overall drawdown, and just to reinvest the money. But you don't have to. Eventually they will converge. That's pretty much the software. It's very powerful. Get your hands on it today. Give us a call. I'll be more than happy to go over all the features with you. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you very much.